Pero, ¿quién es el viejo Paulino? For sale.
Por cierto, te doy unos 100 bolos por los cuatro.
No, mejor los me los quedo. ¿Tan buenos? A lot of people want them. ¿O no te acuerdas que hubo un tiempo que everybody wanted these on needles, on Toyos?
Yeah. I had them on needles for a little while.
Damn it, boy. Parece que estuviera posted. A la cara, Brian. A la cara. Damn, bro.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Damn, güey. Si se ve bien beefy.
No va a pegar.
A la mejor. Ahorita es para looks. No te mortifiques. Si está poquita chute. ¿Sí se ve, comadre? It does really look really good. I never, like, well, los rines que tengo yo no le hemos puesto that wide inside of a tire. Pero it might, but it does.
Oh, hell no.
¿Qué?
That's gonna be a big problem. I'm gonna leave it esto.
A ver, no mames.
Bro.
Y it cracked.
Great. Well,
¿Sabes lo que es, güey?
it's nada. Don't be hating. Don't be hating. Traemos acá.
It's fucking bad, güey. ¿Tiene este güey? ¿Esto es bueno?
There's a big ass panel down there.
I want to take off everything besides this. Everything besides this.
Okay, so take off this.
Yes. Because I eventually want to get it partly I love when Bianchi.
Que la prenda para que la oiga.
Oh yeah.
Mira Laira, todo el show. This might need it. ¿Ese pedo se atornilla de volada, no? ¿Y jala? ¿O no? Porque le digo, voy cariño, ¿y cómo va a llegar a que es fácil? Pero ya atornillándola, a lo mejor se... apretándola, ¿no? Así mero. Bueno guys, pues ya saben, if you guys have any needs, motor, transmission, suspension, drops, lifts, oil changes, spark plugs, you want to install headers, intake, or you want to get performance parts, or you probably have a problem with your truck or car, you can always bring it to Stacy. He could check it and do the work for you. If you need a mechanic, I really recommend them. Good prices, good work, good quality of work. And he's fast. But as you guys can see, el parqueadero está lleno. So just bear with him. You know, sometimes he'll get to it if it's a quick checkup. Look at your vehicle and check it. But he has a lot of work. So have to understand that sometimes when you bring a truck and you want to do something to it, there might be a waiting list, so you might have to wait for your turn. But I'm gonna show you guys the logo and the stuff he does, and that's his number. You guys can hit him up. And I'm gonna be closing off the video. I showed you guys the OBS, little blue. We got the rim, new tire fix for La Ford Mia. My brother's truck, we slapped on the new drag pack in the back. We're gunning it up. We're gunning it right now. You guys heard it on 6.0. It really hasn't done anything to it porque pues, he needs the parts, you know. He's not gonna put headers in the cam and when he still needs to buy the turbo and all that good stuff. So ahorita estamos esperando, la quiere hacer gut. He's gonna put the Kirko seat, you know. Well, Kirky seat. So what's next? I don't know if I'm gonna get to record for you guys, pero the Kirky seat and the doors are gonna be they're gonna be getting installed on Monday, maybe before we leave, because we are going back to Michigan. But my brother said he might drop the truck off at Spike so that they could put the doors, the windows, and the seat. So stay tuned with that, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the little video. Have a great Saturday, and I'll catch you guys on the next vid.